See your other hand? Alright, make sure you got no wiper on you. What's going on today? Not feeling it? Are you off your meds? We've talked before, remember? You recognize me? No, not at all? You used to have braids, didn't you? No?
Yeah, you used to have.
Yeah.
They weren't braids.
What's going on today? Here, you sit down. You want to sit down? You want me to talk to Mom?
I mean, I'm gonna put it in layman terms. What, you about to take me to jail for or something?
I'm not taking you to jail at all. What's up?
I'm just trying to figure out.
Why are we here?
I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, you do.
I mean,
Something's wrong. I can tell. I can look in your face and tell you something's wrong.
it is.
I know.
But at the same time, it's not what you think either.
Are you feeling like homicidal, suicidal?
I don't know how I'm feeling right now.
Okay. Well, that's why I'm here to talk to you.
I'm telling you, I know. I'm just saying. Right now, please, cause I don't know what she just called you for, and I ain't really do nothing to her.
You want me to ask Mom? What's going on, Mom?
She's saying I don't know.
She's delusional.
Okay.
He's delusional.
And you have a history of that.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
He's a delusional.
No.
He had walked to the store and came back. Just started banging on the house. Just banging on the house. And I'm like, you got to help.
Why were you banging on the house?
Because she got some, like, little home invasion and stuff going on, and they probably quiet and you can't hear them all the way. That's
So
what
you
it
think
is.
there's someone in the house?
I mean, they quiet right now. Yes, there's somebody in this house.
Okay.
Yes, it is. And it's not just me. It's a home invasion for
Do
real.
you want us to look?
I mean, you're going to have to go through the attic or something.
So you're hearing people in the attic?
It's about everywhere. And I'm not playing no more.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm just telling you what it is. It's a home invasion.
Okay.
So that's what it is. And it's not me.
You're scared because you hear people in your house.
Okay, yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah, that's 100% what it is.
Okay. Does your mom hear those people?
Oh, she definitely doesn't act slow.
What
So
if she
whoever
doesn't?
else acting slow, no, I'm not playing. I'm sorry. I see you grabbing that. Is it me or them? They have a home invasion up in here,
Okay.
and I'm not playing.
Do you have a healthcare worker that you usually talk to?
This ain't about healthcare. It's a home invasion.
I
It's all the
understand
way
that.
different.
Right.
It's all the way different. This ain't healthcare. It's home invasion.
Nothing right now?
No.
Relax for a second.
Aren't
But it's
you
home
aren't you
invasion.
diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia?
Oh, this ain't paranoid.
He got all kinds of diagnosis.
Yeah.
But
Like I said, I've talked to you many times. I don't know how you don't recognize me. Maybe it's the beard.
I don't know.
I grew a beard.
I'm just saying on whose side on who on what. That's all I'm telling you.
And you and I have always been...
If we've been cool cordial, then you should understand. When I say it's a home invasion up in this house, then
I
that's
do
what it be.
understand.
Safety is the key. Safety is
It
the key
is.
word.
I don't feel safe with you.
Oh, but you feel safe with these people home invading your house. Okay.
I don't feel safe with you.
So you feel safe with that. That don't sound right.
Yeah.
There's a home invasion.
Well, in our call, the call letters could hear you say
I'm not playing. It's a home invasion in
that you
here.
were going to... Don't play like I'm not going to kill all of you.
I'm not.
Okay?
And I'm seriously not.
So
keeping
you are
it
feeling a
cautious.
little homicidal a little bit.
I'm telling you, it's a home invasion.
Okay.
I'm not playing.
Well, if you sit down, I'll go look in the attic if you want me to.
I mean, I'll check with you. You can go ahead. I'm right here.
Okay.
Disappear, reappear, Batman and Robin, what it is.
I know, but you're in the way. I can't go check.
Go check, see if you're
Can
hearing
you
something.
sit here with your mom?
Go check, see if you're hearing something. Check.
If
just
you're
see
with you, sit back here.
you hear something. I mean, y'all hear me all the time. Y'all hear my name outside. Ain't nobody there.
But you hear people saying your name.
They in here, and I'm not playing.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, brother.
I'm
Okay.
telling you, it's a home invasion.
Okay.
If it's coming at me and my safety, I'm not playing with nobody.
Okay.
If y'all on my side, cause y'all know I'm not gonna lie to you like that,
I know.
yes. If y'all going at me crazy like that, yes, I'm gonna be on bullshit. I'm telling you that. as a man to man.
What do you like to be called, Tyler?
I'm Tyler Antonio Patrick.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
There were hundreds of people at the Heat nightclub in Huber Heights last year when a fight broke out and two men were shot.
I know you watching down on us, man. Get to this motherfucking money, man. Montgomery County Jail. We got this shit on lockdown, nigga. Goddamn. Face off on the I refuse the low. I ain't giving up, nigga. No, I won't stop. Goddamn, they got me feeling like a bad boy. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. I'm out of jail, what the fuck you think they mad for? Not guilty. And murder was the case. Them fuckers try to take my life for forever and a day. Boxed it up, took it to trial. 8 months later, I'm on the street. I lost my brother to this shit. It still hurt me till I'm waiting. How y'all got a nigga grieving in the county jail? I said I lost my brother. How am I locked up in his cell? I ain't see shit. So how am I supposed to tell? I heard somebody else got killed. But how I'm supposed to feel? Prosecutors, devils, they keep offering deals, but if I walk with a deal, can't get off with a pill.
I have nothing to check.
They don't want to see me home till little Audrey grown. That's mighty long. She ain't old enough for an ice cream cone. Long nights alone, thinking how it's gonna play out. Tay say, leave it in God's hand, he'll make a way out. If he let me out this time, and I'll stay out. Cause fighting for your life in the county ain't shit to play about. Montgomery County Jail.
I want you to finish your
bet.
Black and mild, you just said
face off
down,
on the nose. You seen it? I refuse the low. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. Goddamn, they got me feeling like a bad boy. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. I'm out of jail, what the fuck you think they mad for? Yeah.
The defense argued it was too dark and too many people scattered before police got there. And with no weapons recovered, prosecutors couldn't prove who was shooting.
Holiday season. Police kicking down my mama door. She ain't tripping, she just called my phone to let me know. Can't let them get me before they catch me, I need extra dough. I'm in the kitchen, water whipping, trying to stretch a fork. I gotta get it, nigga. Face all on the nose. I'm in the cell, man. Watching in my blues. Like what the hell, man? 18 to life was that time that I was facing, but 25 to life. If the judge felt it was right, but only God can judge. Shit happens for a reason. Gotta take it as a blessing. I'm happy and I'm free. Everything's a lesson. You gotta live and learn. I'm hotter than a stove. Play with fire and get burned. Montgomery County Jail. $1 million bet. Face off on the nose. I refuse the low. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. Goddamn, they got me feeling like a bad boy. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. I'm out of jail, what the fuck you think they mad for?
And with no weapons,
He's got a knife!
prosecutors couldn't prove who was shooting.
Get that knife out of his hand!
Start a medic.
Let's go. Woke up this morning, I was still in the county. Slipped on my shoes, brushed my teeth, washed my face every day. Man, this rap shit gotta work. Man, my bond is $1 million. So I ain't signing shit that I can sign for $1 million. Couple niggas in the street, they wanna find me and kill me. I'm innocent, but they got me doing time like I'm guilty. I've been down. Case, them fuckers try to take my life for forever and a day. Boxed it up, took it to trial. 8 months later, I'm on the streets, but I lost my brother to this shit. It still hurt me till I'm weak. How y'all got a nigga grieving in the county jail? I said I lost my brother. How am I locked up in his cell? I ain't see shit, so how am I supposed to tell? I heard somebody else got killed, but how I'm supposed to feel? Prosecutors, devils, they keep offering deals, but if I walk with a deal, can't get off with a pill. Oh, man, all or nothing. They don't wanna see me home till little Audrey grown. That's mighty long, she ain't old enough for an ice cream cone. Long nights alone, thinking how it's gonna play out. Tay say, leave it in God's hand, he'll make a way out. If he let me out this time, and I'll stay out. Cause fighting for your life in the county ain't shit to play about. Montgomery County Jail. $1 million bill. Goddamn. Face off on the nose. You seen it? I refuse to lose. I ain't giving up, nigga, no, I won't stop. I'm out of jail, what the fuck you think they mad for? Yeah.
The defense argued it was too dark and too many people scattered before police got there. And with no weapons recovered, prosecutors couldn't prove who was shooting.
Murder was the case. Police kicking down my mama door. She ain't tripping, she just called my phone to let me know. Can't let them get me before they catch me, I need extra dough. I'm in the kitchen, water whipping, trying to stretch a folk. I gotta get it, nigga. Face all on the nose. I'm in a cell, man. Watching in my blues. Like what the hell, man. 18 to life was that time that I was facing. But 25 to life, if the judge felt it was right. But only God can judge. Shit happens for a reason. Gotta take it as a blessing. I'm happy that I'm breathing. Everything's a lesson. You gotta live and learn. I'm hotter than a stove.